पणजेच्या डॉन बॉस्को ऑडिटोरींत तरंगाचे 3 दिसांचे मेगा शॉपिंग उत्सव प्रदर्शन घडोवन हाडलां. प्रदर्शनात घरचे सजावटीच्यो वस्तू पळोवपाक मेळटात. ताचेच बरोबरीन हेर वस्तूंचें प्रदर्शन चालू केलां. लोकांचो ताका उपाट प्रतिसाद लाभला. तरंगान घडोवन हाडिल्ल्या 3 दिसाच्या मेगा शॉपिंग उत्सव प्रदर्शनात घर सजावटीच्या विक्रीचें सामान, रांदचे कुडींतली विविध उपकरणां, बायलांचे कपडे, फॅशनेबल ज्वेलरी आनी हेर विविध वस्तू आसात. हातूंत वेगवेगळ्या विक्रेत्यांनी आपली स्टॉलां लायल्यात. तांकां उपाट प्रतिसादूय मेळटा. 5 ते 7 ऑगस्ट मेरेन पणजेच्या डॉन बॉस्को ऑडिटोरींत तरंग शॉपिंग प्रदर्शन चालू उरतलें.
With just 15 stalls, and today you can see the size of Tarang. So this was a trip by me and Mansi, and today we really feel proud about it.
It was divine interaction that we got in touch with each other, and we were also working on something similar. So we said, why not partner up with them? And the whole idea, like I saw passion with what Shweta was speaking. Like she really wanted to take this community forward, grow this community. And when I came here, I was mesmerized by seeing all these stalls and all of you people, like so hard working and so many faces and so many businesses here. So basically the whole point of the website, the whole point of the web platform is just, it's simple that we want to help grow your businesses, take your businesses forward. Basically, whatever you need to grow your business, we'll have it on the platform.
I have seen Shweta and Mansi grow, and I'm really proud because I've seen them growing from a very small exhibition to today this huge thing. And I'm sure all of you will benefit because these two girls are very good at marketing and they will make sure that you all do good business. All the best to all of you.
Now it's a 5-year journey. I can't express it in like 10 or 20 minutes because it's just a 5-year journey. First of all, I would like to say like trust is very important. It's not that today you're starting something and tomorrow you will be successful. No. To start with something, you have to struggle. Once you do that struggle, then you will reach on that success. It's like a baby. I would say Tarang is my first baby. I have seen it growing up. I have seen it cry. We used to cry when we used to not get up to date. Like we used to cry. I have seen that baby crying. I have seen that baby struggling. And today I have reached here. Like baby is walking, just walking. I will still call my baby is very small. We need your support to take this Tarang forward. We want to celebrate our silver jubilee, diamond jubilee.
Pahunche, Shweta and Mansi. So Taranga is such a big exhibition. Really, as we said, when we entered, me and Rita was like, my God, such a big exhibition. It's really great. I think you all should give a big hand for Taranga is such a great because normally in Goa right now, we have not seen anybody organizing such big exhibitions. We see the exhibitions only from outsiders. They come to Goa and they have this type of exhibitions. Goa never guts setting all this time. They organize the exhibitions not only for 3 days, 5 days, France even here, and in every city, outsider. This is the first time I am seeing 2 women for taking this responsibility on their shoulders. Women, I think this is called as women empowerment.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिग्स.